For polynomial h of x, the value of h of 1 is -7. What can you say about h of x? We have that h of x is polynomial. And we know that x minus a is the factor of polynomial, in this case h of x, if h of a is equal 0. In this example, we have that h of 1 is equal -7. What we can say about h of x? That because h of 1 is -7, it means that x minus 1 is not a factor, because when we divide our polynomial by x minus 1, the remainder is -7, because when we divide polynomial h of x by x minus 1, the remainder is -7. So this is my solution.